Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Ubuntu on your desktop with your pen drive. Hope you'll enjoy this video. So let's start the video. Friends, for this process first you need to boot your pen drive. If you don't know how to boot your pen drive, then I have another video how to boot a pen drive with the Linux operating system without any software. You will find this video link in this video description. So now to install the Linux OS, first plug in your boot pen drive and restart your PC. If your PC is already turned on, then turn it on. Then from the keyboard press the escape button to open your PC BIOS. If your PC get a different BIOS setup, then press that button and then go to your BIOS menu. Then find the boot menu and open it. Or guys, you can directly go to your PC boot menu. Then at the boot menu list, you will see your pen drive name. Now from the boot menu, select your pen drive and press enter. Okay guys, at setup time, first you will see this type of list. From this list, select try or install Ubuntu and press enter. Okay guys, from here you can choose your own language. Then click on install Ubuntu. Now from here you can select your keyboard layout and then click on continue. Now here is one important section. From here you can install Ubuntu normally or you can install minimal. If you select normal installation, then you will get web browser, utility, office software, game and media player. And if you select minimal installation, then you will get only web browser and basic utilities. So I recommend you to select normal installation and then take this one for third-party software, Wi-Fi and other drivers, and then click on continue. Now here is one most important section, how and where do you want to install your Ubuntu OS. If you like to install Ubuntu beside your Windows OS, then select first one. If you want to install Ubuntu only, then select second one. Erase disks and install Ubuntu. If you select this, then all your drive will be formatted and merged into one drive. And finally, if you want to install Ubuntu OS on a particular drive, then select third one, something else. Here you will see all available drives. From here you can select a particular drive and install Ubuntu OS. From here you can select all your hard drive if you have multiple hard drive. Now to install Ubuntu, select a drive and then click on install now. Okay, here you can see an error is showing. Now root file system. That means the drive root is not correct for installing OS. Now to solve this, first we need to format this drive. So right click and then click on delete. Okay, now again select the deleted drive and right click on it and add. From here you can resize your drive, change the drive partition style, partition location from the new partition and select your drive format. From the mount point, must select first one and click OK. Okay, my new partition created. Select the partition and install it now. Now here is one final warning. Just click on continue. From here you can select your location, then click on continue. Now here we need to submit our name. Now submit a password. Confirm password. Okay, continue. Okay, finally Ubuntu is installing. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depend on your pen drive speed and your PC hardware condition. So keep this video short. I am going to fast forward this part. Okay, installation is complete. Now we need to remove the pen drive and click on restart now. Okay, here is my user. Okay, finally here you can see the Ubuntu installed successfully. Now here is the start menu. And here all my drives are showing, you can see. So friends, in this way you can install Linux or Ubuntu OS on your desktop or laptop with your pen drive. I hope you understand the total process and also like this video. If you are, then please click on the like button. If you have any question or suggestion, then please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.